Hello everyone. So today we have some of our subscribers ask some questions on our YouTube videos. So we will answer their questions one by one. So please stay with us in this video and then you will be able to get the answer as well. The question is, can you describe your process for doing the campaign optimization and taking data driven decisions? So now for any campaign to be successful, the campaign should have the conversions and at a lower cost per conversion. So for us in Softrix, we always try to make sure that the first step should be the quality of the click should be relevant and we are paying the lowest possible CPC and of course catering the ads to the right kind of audience. So once this is done, then only we will be able to get conversions. Based on the data, we do the optimizations like what are all the keywords that are bringing us the conversions, so we can stop the keyword where we are spending the money but are not converting, and we will just try to make sure that we are maximizing the search impression share from our best converting keyword. Second thing is that if we are doing the lead generation campaign, we definitely need to make sure from the client that the quality of leads that we are getting, they are relevant. Otherwise, all the leads that we will get when they are just not relevant, then the client will not continue with us. So the leads are important, but more importantly the quality leads should be there for our clients, then only they will be able to succeed. We will give our WhatsApp number on the screen. You can WhatsApp us anytime and I will be able to get back to you as soon as I can.